In this module, we will talk about health risks. Global climate change is a significant factor in the distribution of altered weather patterns, which will have severe effects in the coming decades and centuries. More extreme and unpredictable weather events, changed wind problems, precipitation, and other severe weather events, far reaching consequences for health. So, this global climate change is definitely creating such health risks more in the developing world as compared to the developed world. Developing countries and small island nations are expected to be more prone to the effects of climate change. Lack of clean water supply due to increased industrialization and urbanization will spread diarrhea. Malnutrition will increase due to depletion of resources and instability of a food system. Increased natural disasters, which is again happening more in the developing world as compared to the developed world because developed world has resources to sustain their structures and other infrastructure on solid grounds, while in the developing worlds, corruption and absence of transparency and accountability, engineers usually don't take care while they are making or constructing any infrastructure for the people. Look at this slide, global mean temperature and for future projections. This is IPCC source from 2012. Temperature, humidity, and precipitation. Increased temperature and precipitation will contribute to survival and replications of pathogens in the environment. Consumption of contaminated water and increased mortality rate. It is all adding up to the health risks in the developing countries, especially. Sanitation. Global climate change will contribute to poor water supply and standards of living. Contamination of water resources and sources, consumption of contaminated food, high morbidity rate, that is, the rate of disease in a population. In developing world, there are poor health conditions owing to poverty level. They are living in one room. For example, more than 5 people are living in one room in the poor countries. So they are doing all their things in one room. They are cooking their food there, they are cleaning their clothes, washing their clothes, and other things in the same room. So it is creating health hazards in poor countries more as compared to the developed world where people used to live in hygienic conditions. Droughts and floods will affect the agriculture sector. Malnutrition will increase due to decreased food supply. Heat waves will increase the probability of heart and respiratory diseases, especially in elderly people. High ratio of asthma attacks, changed patterns of rainfall will increase vector borne diseases, dengue and malaria. Although Pakistan has a control over dengue to an extent in the previous government of Pakistan Muslim League, and they worked day and night for eliminating dengue from Pakistan, and they were very successful. And today, Pakistan is almost, clear from dengue disease. But as far as malaria is concerned, there are still some dangers, and I would say that malaria is a disease that can damage to any country. But Pakistan, Alhamdulillah, working very much efficiently for taking care of this disease that we will not be, more vulnerable towards this disease.